Hey guys, so one of my friends is really good at spinning sticks, and one time I thought it would be a good idea to light the stick on fire, and then the fire flew off and started a small fire. Anyway, it's his birthday in a week or so, and so I'm gonna make a LED fire twirling stuff. So yeah. So I went to the store and picked up some 32mm dowel and 32mm pipe, and I grinded down the ends of the dowel so it fit inside the pipe and made a staff. I've got this big old staff here. So I'm gonna put LEDs down here and here, and then fill the inside of the pipe with electronics to make the lights like flicker and look like they're on fire. Anyway, so let's do that. Okay, so I have these LEDs which I got in Hong Kong, which are like these water sealed, like they're rubber on top, and those were expensive. I have 1 meter of these ones which are not water sealed, but they were more expensive. So they're both NeoPixels, so I can control each LED individually, so I can make it like flicker and go slightly different oranges and whatnot, and then it'll look like fire, I promise. Yeah, 7's good. 7's good. Okay, 4 pieces of 7 coming up. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna stick these lengths to the pole now. Peel off the stickies stuff. Why is everything hard? LEDs installed. Looking nice, looking nice. Oh, shit, these have to go in the correct order. D in, D out. Ugh, both D outs point to each other. Go back on good. What an absolute idiot. Floppy. Okay, this glue is already starting to come off, so I'm just going to cable tie down the end. That's good to go. Ah, I need to connect. Okay, more work. Do I even have enough wires? That's probably going to be the whole thing, isn't it? Goodbye, floppy wire. So that there is the length, and then I need to drill holes, so drill here, and that's going to go through the pipe out to the other side where it's going to pop out. Let's do that.
See, it goes in here and comes out there.
Well, let's try to feed that wire through. Okay, so I drilled through the dowel here so that it pops out on the other side, like such. So now I'm going to drill this one here and run this wire to there. Here we go, back together again. Right, so I've finished attaching all of the wiring. So this wire goes through down to the other end. All the strips are all connected now. Let's see if it works. Ooh. They're all working. Perfect. So this is the program that was just running on it, which is the standard Adafruit library, and it flicks through all the colors. So I've written this program that simulates fire. It's overly complicated. So I'm gonna put that onto the staff and we'll see how it looks.
So I went to test this Arduino Nano, and I've removed the voltage regulator because I'm so smart.
So I'm gonna scavenge this Arduino Nano from this old project. So I've programmed the new Arduino and wired it onto the LEDs. So I'm just gonna push these wires onto it now, see if it works, and if it does, wire up a battery pack for these and wire it onto here, and then get this thing spinning. Moment of truth. Yes, perfect. All right, let's get this thing wired up. So this old Wi-Fi router has this really nice clicky button. Alright, so I've got the AA split up into 2 battery packs now, and I'm going to put one at each end of the pipe so that the weight is balanced. The battery packs have like this 9-volt connector on the end. I don't have any 9-volt connectors, so I'm just going to fill it with solder. Alright, so the pair of batteries are wired up with this long wire between them. We've got the switch in line with it, and when we click the switch, nothing happens. When you click the button, it turns on. So ready to put the batteries at either end of the pipe. Perfect. Gotta wait for the hot glue gun to warm up. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to drill the hole for the button. I'm essentially trying to route this out with a drill.
So I use the big bit. Is that gonna go?
Widen it. So I got this little clicky button in here. It's going to turn it on and off. It just says run to these wires at the moment, but I'll solder it to these. I'm just going to glue this in place now though.
Get it nice and full.
Happy I got that into a nice strong location where it wasn't going to move. I was worried about putting it through the pipe because if I pushed it I didn't want it to pop through on the other side and I was going to have to hold it all and it wasn't going to work well. So last of all I need to glue that onto there like that so I can slide it all in as one package. So now, stuff all this in there. That should go together like that. And it's on. Right, so now that I have done the pole and it all works, button on, lights come on. So finishing touch is just gonna paint this whole thing black just to give it a finished look. So I'm gonna tape over the button and each LED. And I'm going to spray paint it all black, peel all the tape off, and should be done. So let's do that. Small squares. That is painful. Okay, all done. Ready to paint. Alright, so the paint's done drying now, so just gonna use tweezers to peel off these bits of tape. So this is the finished stuff, nice and painted black, and turns on, it's nice and orange. Hit the lights.